What's up, fam? This is Vic from Cutz Premium Lawn Care here in Conyers, Georgia. So, I had a subscriber ask me a question. He asked, "What do you do in order to get bids from your commercials?" Truth be told, guys, I don't have a lot of commercial clients. I have a few, and just so you know, I pretty much got them off the internet. They saw my profile on Google and pretty much gave me a call. However, I can show you what I do in order to land the actual, the bid. A lot of times I realize that commercials, what they typically don't do, they don't go around checking different prices of different actual line pros. If they like your price, they just gonna go with you because they got other things to do in order to make money. So I know that your proposal needs to look professional and it needs to look like you know what you're doing. So at any time, please stop the video and you can see, maybe something that you want to copy. I don't mind people borrowing stuff. I believe in helping people, and one of the things you help is if you got an idea that they like, hey, you can borrow it. You know, so basically, I do a little introduction letter, as you can see, to the client, letting them know who I am, what I do, and the service I provide, and the location. And I try to keep it professional. And then I go into what it is that I'm proposing to do for them. Normally, I come up with a schedule of maintenance. As you can see here on this property, we was just going to do basically mowing, weed eating, pavement edging, blowing of the driveways and sidewalk, and we had some hedge maintenance. So I broke it up into the months of frequencies. One being I consider March through October being your weekly high growth months, and then November through February, it's going to go into the bi-weekly. I gave them the pricing for that, and also I had an initial cleanup price I needed to deal with. So as you can see, I came up with my breakdown of my weekly, and I came out with my breakdown for my bi-weekly. So if you want to see more, it longer, just pause the video. What I found that I believe that they really like, because a lot of times when you deal with people in corporation, the managers still have to send their your proposal to the corporate office, and a lot of times they want to see why they're paying what they're paying for. So I always add pictures to my proposal. A lot of people don't do it. I take the extra time to do it. I give them a overview, or should I say a bird's eye view of what areas I will be cutting. As you can see, this gives them a better understanding of what it is they're paying for. And also, I would just believe it just makes you look professional, because for every corporation or local business that actually called for my service and give them a quote, I gave them pictures, and they pretty much went with me. So I try to be as detailed as possible, so they'll know exactly what it is that they're getting. And this is some pictures that like I said, I try to make it, hey, you need me, and here's the reason why. And then at the end, I have them sign the proposal, and then I just get started. I do know some guys who have bids that's probably more legalistic than mine. Mine is pretty basic. Hadn't had a problem receiving payment. They pretty much want to work with you because 9 times out of 10, they got other stuff to deal with than cutting grass and doing hedges. That's minuscule on most corporations things to do list. Go in, give them a good proposal, make sure it looks very professional and presented. And I remember even talking to one of my buddies who actually do the same thing about my price, and the difference in price is maybe about $400, and he would do it cheaper, and I'm like, nah, I can't do it for less than that, because a lot of times when you're dealing with corporations, they just want you out there every day. Not every day, sorry. They want you out there once a week, and they want it done. So with that being said, you got to be dependable and reliable, because they want their either storefront. And by the way, this is not a storefront. This is more of a warehouse type deal that's going on. Please like and subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate my new subscribers subscribing on. Please, if you're watching the videos, go ahead and do me a favor. Click the bell. That way you can be notified of my work when I post something. And also, if you don't mind, add some comments. Tell me some of the things that maybe you do in order to make sure that you get a bid into a corporation, and why you feel like why your bid will be one of the ones selected. What are some of the unique things that you do in order to be seen or stand out in the pack when it comes to it? In my case, I add pictures. All right, family. Cut on, lawn care family. Cut on. And I'm cutting out. Peace.